I think vintage is especially appropriate for Greenfield because of its post-industrial history. There's bookshops, vintage clothing, thrift shops, and you can walk away with something that was mass-produced at one time, but now it's one of a kind. Every object has a story, and Greenfield has a great story too.
Greenfield is really known for precision manufacturing. Those skilled workers went on to innovate and create more companies and more businesses and more designs. One of the cool things about Greenfield is that people are getting more into the lost arts. Being able to fix and repair stuff and help people just keep something that is sentimental to them, I think it's a really important thing.
The items that come in here are recycled. These items are not landing up in a landfill, so the sustainability of vintage is fantastic. We're inside of a very old mill building that was built in 1890 as a shoe factory. It's always magical to have people come into the shop because of what they find. We put together this amazing website so that people can go in and they can see the different vintage markets that are in the area. There's some amazing finds that you can find here in Greenfield.